Okay, this time let's try to find the probability of people who spend between 140 to 160 gallons. Now this time we need to use this formula here, finding probability between two x values. So two x values are 140 and 160. Now the mean doesn't change. We have the same mean, 146.21, and the standard deviation 29.44. x1, don't forget, x1 should be always greater than x2. So x1 is 160 and x2 is 140. Now the yellow part, the yellow area is the formula. So I need to find the z value for x, which is 160, first x. So the formula was x minus mu divided by standard deviation. Now x is g6, mu is g4, so g6 minus g4, g6 minus g4 divided by standard deviation, which is g5. That will give me the z value, the first z value. And the second z value, similarly, x minus mu divided by standard deviation. Now x is 140. 140 minus 146.21, which is g7 minus g4 divided by g5 standard deviation. So I have the z value 2 for 140. Now the next step, I need to find out the area between 160 to this end, so which is norm S distribution G10. So from 160 to the end is 68.03. Now more than x1, which is this side here, we already found this earlier in the previous example, 0.3197. Now we do the same thing for the second x value. So area less than 140 is norm S distribution G11. G11 is, you see here, G11 is the z value for the second x. So don't forget, Excel always shows the left side. So any probability less than 140 would be norm S distribution G11. Now anything more than 140, simply 1 minus G14, because again the total should be 100. Now the question is, between 160 and 140, since 160 is G12, right here, 68.03 minus 4165, which is this area. So the difference will give us between 160 and 140, which is 26.38. So the answer of this question, 26.38% of people spends between 140 to 160 gallons.